Bam bam, me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bam, my mama.
So guys, I've listed on my social media Q&A questions and all the questions you guys would want to ask me on my Instagram and on my WhatsApp, and you guys have reached out to me with a lot of questions. I won't be able to answer all of them today, but I'll answer what I can. So my niece is in the background. She's gonna be asking me the question and I'll be answering them for you guys.
Hi guys, it's Sash from the background. Okay, so
Welcome, Sash.
thank you. It's a pleasure being here, honestly. My aunt is awesome, isn't she?
Thank you.
Yes, so the first question, why did you lock your hair?
So why I lock my hair, many years ago I locked my hair. I did like the sister lock, and it was very fine at first, but then over time, because so why I lock my hair is it was easier for me to lock my hair. I usually go to the hairdresser wearing braid, wearing the you know, those days was like the swan or the glue in here. I usually put cream in my hair, and one at a time my Jerry curls my hair back in the days. But I found out that sitting in the salon chair for many hours, it was not my thing, guys, because I really don't have the patience to sit in a salon chair waiting 4 hours for my hair to get done. So I decided to lock my hair, go the natural way, and I have done that, and I love it ever since.
Water is good for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my throat a bit.
On to the next question. You are such a fun and happy soul.
I know. Thank you.
What motivated you to start YouTube?
I was watching King and Shay from back in the days, like when they just started early on, and I noticed that the quality of the video wasn't all that, but they were very entertaining in terms of the pranks and the joke that they give. So I keep watching them, and I keep sharing the video to other friends or family, because I thought they were doing an awesome job, even though the quality was not all that, but they have improved a whole lot. So I admire them, I look up to them, and there's quite a lot of YouTubers that I also follow, like John Ken and several others. I can't call out all the name. I follow Rolly, So Easy, the Chips Boss, I follow Razor, I follow, what's your name, Trish Sass. I follow a whole lot of YouTubers, guys. So I tend to say, okay, maybe I can contribute in terms of giving entertainment, teaching people to do cooking, teaching them about the shopping videos that I do, those kind of things.
Awesome. On to the next question. In your perspective, is YouTube hard?
I wouldn't say YouTube is hard. I would say in terms of the part that I would say to me is quite challenging is to do the editing. Because guys, to be honest, I'm trying to do the editing myself, and I'm learning as I go along. And for me, the editing, sometimes it takes hours and hours to get it right. So that's just the part that I found a little bit intimidating. But other than that, it's fun, guys. Just go out and do your video. Just have fun doing it. It has to be something that you like. So I was watching some of the favorite YouTubers back in Jamaica, because I'm Jamaica by heart, and you know, me still live in Jamaica, even though I'm there, so second home, but Jamaica my original home. So I always watch my Jamaican YouTubers them, and me say, all right, I want kind of contribute, you know, to the entertainment, to teaching, like I said before. Things that annoy me, that's what that word means actually. What annoys me is we are having a conversation, both of us is having a conversation, and you do not allow me to get my word across or to speak. So like you're saying something to me, and I will sit there and I will listen to you, But now it's my turn to talk and you're talking over me. That get me really annoyed.
Yes, guys, please don't annoy my aunt if you know her in personally.
Yeah.
On to the next question. Auntie, this is the second time I'm seeing this question here.
Really?
Yes, they
Oh,
want
wow.
to know some video ideas that you have for your channel.
Some video ideas I have for my channel. I'm thinking of doing some more cooking videos. Some more pranks. Some pranks. Because I haven't been going too in-depth in terms of the pranks. Did I do any prank? I did. Yeah, but it's on my other channel, guy. It's on my other channel. My husband and I have a channel, so we did pranks on those. But I'm planning to do some more haul videos. Guys, and you guys can tell me what kind of video you like, you know.
Yes, on to the next question. Was it hard for you to start YouTube just to get in front of the camera and talk?
That question kind of sounds similar like the one I answered before. Well, I'll still go ahead and answer this one. It wasn't hard because I've signed up onto YouTube from 2016, I think it was. But however, I was not posting, I wasn't vlogging, I wasn't doing video. I was just watching like other.
Get that water in. Get your water in, you guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna give my throat a little moist.
On to the next question. Someone said, I can see that you love to shop. How do you budget your money?
Guys, you don't have to ask me the question. Like me feel like some hard question was gonna come, but that's a tough one. But guys, fun and joke. Okay, I work very hard, guys. I work very hard. Sometimes 12 hours, sometimes 7 days for the week. And I am very, in terms of saying, I save as well as the main fun thing that I do, I shop. I love to shop for my home. And I love, so guys, I would say save. And if you have something that you're working and you need to work hard and save towards it, no bother, because you guys see me go to the store and me do me haul and me shop a lot. That doesn't mean that I am not gonna save for the more important things. I'm gonna make sure that my bill is paid, and then, you know, save towards a haul video. Don't just get up and go to the store and buy things because you like it. No, I save towards it.
Yes, I like that. Guys, take her advice. Good stuff, good stuff. So,
guys, I have a surprise for you guys. I have an Amazon gift card, not just one. I have several Amazon gift cards that I am gonna be giving away to a few lucky, I would say a few lucky winners, a few lucky subscribers. So guys, we're at the end of this Q&A video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like the video, share the video, guys, and continue to watch for more upcoming content.